Your product images play a big part in your shopper's buying decisions. You may have fantastic photos, but there are times when adding a few details can help those unsure buyers make a purchase. Today, I'm going to use the Shopify Connect app for Canva and show you how easy it can be to enhance your product images in just a few minutes to turn them into strong sellers. So first thing I'm going to do is pull my product image in using the Shopify Connect app for Canva. And then I'm going to add a couple of text elements here. I'm going to let them know exactly how tall it is and how many ounces are in the bottle. Now it might be handy for trivia, but I don't always remember what size is allowed, so I'm just going to go ahead and put a giant badge right across the top there and let them know that this is TSA approved. All right, let's pop that one over there. And it's looking pretty good, but my details on the side are getting a little bit lost. So let's see if I can add a little element here. Maybe I'll do a vertical line to make it very clear that that bottle from top to bottom is that 4.3 inches tall. All right, so let's go ahead and change that top and bottom. Go ahead and put those, there we go. Perfect. Cool. Took me about, a minute here, and I now have a really compelling TSA approved image. Now, not everybody has a successful skincare and hair care brand like I do, so if you have a different industry and you're looking for more inspiration, check these out. I already know why you should be using my products, and that's probably why I'm so successful at selling skincare products to begin with. But in this example, I'm going to pull in one of my product images from the Shopify Connect for Canva app. I'm going to mix in a little bit of Canva magic. First, I'm going to go ahead and get rid of the ingredients that I have and just focus only in on my product. So let's go ahead and click the elements that I want to remove and go ahead and have Canva erase those. All right, next I'm going to move my product off to the side because I'm going to put some customer results over there. So I just want to kind of balance that photo out. Let's slide it over. And I know I'm missing my background image, but we've got another awesome Canva app here where we're going to use the Magic Expand, and I'm going to kind of fill in that background. All right, drag that across. All right, cool. Here we go. Now to make things even easier, I'm just going to go over to my product page, and I'm going to copy over kind of the expected results that I've already featured on there. I'm just going to add them right to the image. So let's copy that, paste it right in. Boom. I've got a really compelling image that shows them exactly what to expect when they're using this serum. If you want to see other examples of how you can use Shopify Connect for Canva to enhance your product photography, check these out. So when it comes to selling your products, you know who has the best words? It's not that guy, it's your customers. All right, so what I'm going to do in this one is go ahead and pull in a Canva template, and I'm going to bring it across and paste in my own customers' reviews. Might be 1,000 miles, but we're going to do it in just a few steps. So I'm going to paste that in, go ahead and replace the text down here with a customer name. There we go. All right, now I got to replace this image with one of my product images. So I'm going to go to Shopify Connect for Canva, go ahead and find my serum, replace that image. And then I'm just going to go ahead and shift it over a tiny bit. There we go. Try to center it a little bit more, balance that out. Okay, there we go. I've got a customer testimonial image in just a few steps. Check out these other examples of how you can enhance your product imagery using Shopify Connect for Canva. So one easy way to make your product stand out is just by putting a badge right on the product image. Let me go ahead and grab one of my lotions here through the Shopify Connect for Canva app, pull that image directly in, and then we're going to put a badge on it. Now this one is going to be for bestseller, but you could also do it for great gifts, natural ingredients, new formula, kind of anything you want. So first thing is I'm going to find the style that I want for the badge. Let's see what we have here. Actually, I like that one a little bit more. Where would it go? There we go. Pop that right in. Red's a little bit bold. Let's go for something a little bit more calm. So I'm going to bring in one of my brand colors Go ahead and type in my hex code, pop that in there, and I've updated it. This is now a bestseller, and everybody knows it. And here's some more inspo videos for other industries. So another way to inspire customer confidence is by telling them exactly what's inside the products, being really transparent. So using the Shopify Connect app for Canva, I'm going to go ahead and bring in one of my products for Brian's Famous Lip Balm. Let's go ahead and pull that one right in. Okay. And now that I've got that, I'm going to go ahead and add a list of my organic ingredients. So let's bring over a title and let's just call it organic ingredients. Let's let them know exactly what's going to go in there. Okay. Now I'm going to make it a little bit more fun because I want to kind of go with like an ingredient list style. So I'm going to go back and grab another shape. This one I am going to use some checks. All right, so let's go into the elements and let's look for those. All right, find one I've got. And, ooh, I like that one. All right. Pull that across and go ahead and change that color and size, get it right into the list. Okay, let's soften it up a little bit. Green is not what I'm going for. Let's do white and let's make the text match as well. Okay. All right, now let's go ahead and add some of those ingredients and save some time. I'll just copy and paste this across. I've got 4 ingredients. So let's go ahead and paste those in. Get the spacing right. Okay, awesome. And then let's just update those 4 bullets. Okay. All right, looking pretty good. Okay, now that I've got my ingredients list, I still feel like it's kind of just separate elements. So I'm gonna add a little horizontal line here. All right, so let's go ahead and grab that, bring that across, and put it just under the organic ingredients. All right, change the color. And let's balance this out a little bit. Go ahead and get the spacing right, and then grab the whole thing and get it centered. Cool. All right, now my customers know exactly what goes into my famous lip balm. Those are all great ways to enhance your product imagery using Shopify Connect for Canva and some of Canva's really powerful tools. If you want to see some other examples, check these out. Ready to enhance your product photos with Canva? Use Shopify Connect for Canva and streamline your workflow.